playing guitar, I thought I only knew these chords. I didn't think too much, but I knew there's more to music than a couple of chords here.
Yeah, I remember discovering the open strings. I was like, wow.
Today in this video, we're gonna show you guys how to take these couple of chords, D, G, and B minor, and really try to express different sound, different articulation, and different devices that are super useful to almost anything in music. So check it out. The thing that I discovered after was just the bar chord. It's simple, right? But this magical chord, it's like works. You just move it. It's amazing. It's simple but very effective.
So effective. And also triads. Simple, small chords. They open up a lot of possibilities for melodies.
Yes. I think a lot of people disregard triads truly.
Yeah.
I think there's a lot of power there. For example, just a little inversion, one, inversion, root, inversion. Like super singer-songwriter, right? Imagine this song.
For sure. And then I was,
Yeah, we got it.
and then when I was listening to Jimi Hendrix, I was like, wow.
Beautiful. One more for me. That's beautiful. So how do you do that?
Using pentatonics, using thirds, fourths.
Yeah.
All these intervals and the pentatonic scale combined, you'll start finding new cool stuff, you know?
Totally. I like the 7 chords.
Oh yeah.
With a little inversion, you know, sometimes. So.
Oh yeah, let me see.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I want to trade.
Okay.
Simple things, but just 7 chords. Also take back to the triads, just these inversions from the 6th string because it sounds so lush on guitar. It's yeah. Let's try to combine a few of these ideas together. You got it.
Right.
Nice.
They're great.
And notice that we're using very simple devices, just going back and forth between them. So it feels like a lot, but it's actually not a lot of things. There's a PDF if you want with all this stuff so you can actually learn the shapes and ideas if that's helpful.
The open strings again.
You want to solo a little bit?
Oh, of course.
You got it. Start from just major pentatonic, something really simple.
Yeah. The major pentatonic.
Yeah. Maybe more chromatic, I'll try.
Yeah.
Guys, thank you so much for hanging out and listening and checking this out. Really really means a lot. We'll think jam a little more, just for fun. But see you guys very soon.
See ya.
And thanks Alon so much for being here. I'll
Thank you.
link all his stuff in the bio. He's amazing, amazing creator, amazing guitar player.
Thanks, man. Thanks for having me.
Of course. Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
So
Nice.
fun. Peace. See you soon.
Later.